Hello again. In the previous lectures, we have seen how to discover the connected devices and how to collect the information about the services and ports running. In this lecture, I'm going to explain to you how to be the man in the middle by doing an ARP attack or ARP attack. The man in the middle attack, it will keep you between the router and the end user or the endpoint, where any data is going to the router or coming from the router. It will be captured by you, and I will show you how to capture it, analyze it, and try to get the username and passwords and all this stuff from this traffic. Another thing, once you perform the ARP attack, you can cheat the end user by telling him I am the router and this is my MAC address, and you can cheat the router by telling him the specific device is mine, this is my MAC address. So let's see how to do it. If we go to Kali Linux again, we'll use one tool called BetterCap. BetterCap is not installed. Install BetterCap. Yes. Okay, so let's run it. BetterCap. Once this run, let's write help to see what's going on. Here it's showing us some modules. Each module, from its name, you can guess its task. So let's start with NetProbe. So if I want to enable this, but just I'll take the name net.probe on, enter. This module, it will start detecting the connected devices to this network with its MAC address with the manufacturer, similar to NetDiscover or Nmap. But BetterCap tool, it has much more advanced options. So if we press help again here, we can see this NetProbe become on. Automatically, once we enable NetProbe, NetRecon, it will also be enabled. If we want to know more details about any module, just we will write help and the name of the module, net.probe. So here it's telling us keep probing for new hosts on the network, which this means if any new clients also connected, it will be auto discovered. So let's say I want to get ARP spoof. Here help arp.spoof. So here it's telling if you run this, you will keep spoofing selected hosts on the network. So before doing this, before starting this spoofer, let me show you one thing. If I went to my PC machine and write, this is ipconfig, this is the IP of my PC, 8.102. If I type here ARP-A just to see the MAC address, if you notice here the router IP address is 192.168.8.1 and this is its MAC. Let me keep the Kali and my PC here. So if we go back to the arp.spoof module, before enabling this, just let's enable this parameter. If true, both the targets and the gateway will be attacked. In general, most of the routers will come without ARP spoofing protection. So let's just write it here, ARP, or we can copy again as well, Ctrl-Shift-C, Ctrl-Shift-V, just write true here. Sorry, we have to write set. We have to write set before that, then the parameter and then true. Okay. Then let's write arp.spoof This is the name of the module, arp.spoof, similar to this one, arp.spoof, and then on, enter. As you can see here, if I wrote here ARP A again, the router MAC address was 8EFB, was ending with this. After we run the ARP spoof attack, you can see here FADD5E. The MAC address has been changed to my Kali machine MAC address. So if I went here fconfig, enter, you can see DD5E here, this one. Okay, so anything will be sent from this network will be captured by my PC. In the next lecture, I'm gonna explain to you how to start capturing the usernames, passwords, and so on.